7 low-calorie foods you can eat at any time and in any quantity. One. Celery. Celery is the healthiest and crunchiest salad item which can be eaten as much as you want, as it is 95% water. It has 35% of vitamin K, but eat it when it is fresh as it tends to lose all its vitality within 5 days of cutting. 2. Arugula. The smartest way to slim down is to eat arugula as much as you can. It actually helps you get slimmer faster without any side effects. 2 cups of arugula contain only 10 kilocalories. You can make a mean salad with just adding white cheese and olive oil and a bit of seasoning into it. Snack on it all day long. 3. Egg whites. Yes, 17 kilocalories in one egg. People who are following the strictest of diets are also advised to eat egg whites. You can make a tasty and healthy omelette with the egg whites and ripe tomatoes and just snack away. Just avoid too much frying oil. 4. Salad. Well, there are many different types of salad in the world, but if your salad is packed with vitamin A and C, we think you are on the right track. Salads are usually without calories and rich in folic acid and iron. So even if you binge eat the tasty salad, it won't add to your waistline. Depending on its type, there are usually 10 to 20 kilocalories in one serving. 5. Cucumbers. A fresh, crunchy cucumber reminds you of summer and is irresistible. The best part is they are amazing for your health because it has same amount of water content as celery. It also contains beta-carotene, which is great for healthy eyesight. Try to eat them with the peels on. 6. Cauliflower. With just 25 kilocalories in each portion, we can safely say cauliflower is the healthiest veggie around. The versatility of the vegetable is even more impressive as it can be stir-fried, made into a salad or a veggie smoothie. It has a good amount of vitamin C and K. It is most nutritious when eaten raw, but that's for not the faint-hearted. 7. Tomatoes. Well, ripe, red tomatoes are tempting to eat just like that anyways. But it's also good to know that they are a mine pit of nutrients such as lycopene, vitamin A, C and B2. Tomatoes are practically without calories but are rich in folic acid, fiber, chromium and potassium, which are crucial for our health. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.